Hey, so why would you want to listen, and who the heck am I? Hey, Carm Capriotto here, the aftermarket podcast guy from Remarkable Results Radio. Hey, imagine an aftermarket audio archive of over 600 episodes that speaks to the business of the aftermarket with a focus on the service professional. Every episode is cataloged by series to help you learn and tackle our industry's challenges head on, all for free and on demand and available anywhere in the world. You know, podcast is how millions of people get informed on their favorite subjects or areas of interest, from cooking to finance. And as you've discovered, there's a podcast for automotive aftermarket professionals. Hey, look, I get it. We're all busy, right? I get the time challenge that we all have. I also find that we waste a lot of time without any tangible reward. So I got a question. Can you afford to miss out on being a fly on the wall of shop owners, coaches, technicians, executives, and every other contributor that's been involved in the Aftermarket's premier podcast? In fact, I bet you know someone who's struggling to grow a great automotive service business. It may even be you. I know you'll be thankful that you found this treasure of insights, ideas, trends, and best practices that can be used to make some bold steps for business improvement. My friend Andy Bizub says that the podcast for him is like a 40-minute 20 group. He even called me Podfather once. I love Andy. He brings up a great point that the podcast is your own personal network. So where should you listen? Well, many use their commute time. You can always put in the earbuds while exercising, walking the dog, cutting the grass, and any other activity where you can invest in listening and learning new things. You know, for quick access, mobile is it. So go to your app store, search for podcasts to find a free app, then search for this podcast and subscribe. All for free, on demand, and available anywhere in the world. Through interviews with the best in the business, our goal is to help solve your pain points and teach you stuff along the way. You know the drill. Change is a guaranteed constant in life, and we must stay abreast of the speed of technology, succession planning, the lack of skilled tradespeople, specifically technicians, leadership, business culture, the need to be better marketers, the role of the CEO, consolidation, and most importantly, your profitability. These topics and issues are front and center of the podcast, and my aim is to keep the discussion relevant for you. Hey, engage with the podcast, because with all the noise in your life, Remarkable Results ground you in the context of the aftermarket. You're almost guaranteed to learn just one thing from every episode and bring wisdom and influence to the people you lead as we work together to elevate all ships. Carm Capriotto here, the Automotive Aftermarket Podcast Guy, and you now know why you need to subscribe, and we'll talk soon.